This woman eliminated her dental caries and bleached her teeth in just 5 days thanks to this. If you want to try a very effective way to cure your cavities without having to go to the dentist, this recipe is perfect for you, because in addition to curing cavities, will whiten your teeth. Follow step by step what we indicated below to have the desired effect. It is not complicated, however you must be constant and not skip any step. Take note. Follow the instructions below. 1. Eat vitamin B3 and B2, which help prevent tooth decay. 2. Floss before going to bed. 3. Try not to eat foods that contain sugar. The home remedy that we explained below is a toothpaste with baking soda and grapefruit. Also rosemary oil. This recipe gives very good results because all 3 ingredients can easily remove plaque while teeth whitening. It is advisable to use it once a week for best results. Ingredients: 1. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. 2. 1 teaspoon of grapefruit juice. 3. 1 drop of rosemary essential oil. Instructions: 1. You should mix all ingredients in a bowl with a toothbrush. 2. Then rub it on your teeth and let it work for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing with water. Another effective homemade toothpaste is as follows. Ingredients: 1. Half a teaspoon cumin powder. 2. Half a teaspoon of organic coconut oil. 3. 2 drops of thyme essential oil. 4. A pinch of baking soda. Preparation: combine all the ingredients in a bowl and then rub it on your teeth and let it work for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing with water.